here to learn. This is a unique opportunity for you. These people who are experts, coming all the way from New York to come and teach you, means a lot to them and should mean a lot to you.
I have been invited to be a keynote speaker. The main thing I want to develop is how young people could build and sustain their life. Nobody lives physically in eternity. There will be a beginning, there will be an end. And between the beginning and the end, that's the period during which you build and sustain your life.
Good morning. Moi, je ne sens pas mes enfants pour voir que vous êtes beaux. Faites quelque chose.
One of the things that we try to do in healthcare is to make sure that the solutions and interventions that we have are accessible. If we prescribe medications, we want to prescribe medications that a patient can access, right? They're attainable.
She gave you plenty of examples. It's a moment to speak. We're giving you 10 minutes in your group. A simple one, infectious disease.
My group and I decided to talk about yellow fever disease.
I shall be talking more on HIV and AIDS.
Polio is a disabling and crippling infectious disease caused by the polio virus.